What's up, y'all? Today in this video, I'm gonna be showing y'all how to do coils on type 4 hair. So for the first step, you're gonna wanna shampoo and condition your hair. This is the shampoo I'm gonna be using, and this is the conditioner I'm gonna be using. So while the conditioner is in your hair, you're gonna start to detangle. I'm gonna be using this wide tooth comb. So I'm gonna section my hair just to make it easier for me to detangle. Bro, how do I even use this, bro? I'm gonna take my first section and then start to detangle. So instead of using the wide tooth comb, I'm gonna be using this. I just feel like it gets the job done way easier. Okay, first section's done. Now we'll move on to the second one. So now that this section's done, we'll move on to this one. So I'm just gonna show you guys what my hair looks like after fully detangled. So this is my hair right now. Now I'm just gonna wash out the conditioner. So now that I've washed out my hair, I'm just gonna pick out my hair a little bit more. So now you're gonna wanna section your hair into equal parts. So this is what I'm gonna be using. So you're gonna wanna distribute the product throughout every single section, and then you're gonna detangle them, and then you're gonna go in a circular motion to get that nice defined coil look. And just like that, the first coil's done. Second coil done. So I'm gonna show you guys what exactly my hair looks like after I finish this whole entire section. So y'all, this is what my hair is looking like right now. I just finished the whole of this section. Now I'm gonna move on to this one. And I'm gonna show you guys what my hair looks like after finishing this section also. So I just finished this section, now I'm gonna finish this one. So y'all, I just finished this side, now I'm just gonna finish my head, and then I'm gonna show you guys what my hair looks like after. So guys, this is the end of my video. If you guys liked it, be sure to subscribe and like this video. And if you guys have any questions, be sure to ask me in the comments and I will surely answer you. Peace.